In the world of custom PC builds, showcasing the heart of your system, the graphics card has become more of a trend than ever before. That's where the EZDIY-FAB vertical graphics card holder bracket steps in, not just as a functional piece of hardware but as an aesthetic enhancer for your build. This bracket is not just any ordinary mounting solution. Its design is tailored to not only secure your precious GPU vertically, allowing for a more visually appealing display within your case, but also to enhance the overall look with its integrated ARGB lighting. Crafted in a sleek white finish, this vertical GPU holder is designed to seamlessly integrate into any white ATX case, providing a clean and unified look that is hard to achieve with standard black brackets. The compatibility doesn't end there. It supports a wide range of graphics cards from various brands, making it a versatile choice for most builders. However, it's the attention to detail that makes this product stand out. The bracket comes equipped with a 20 cm 7.8 inches PCIe riser cable, featuring high-quality TPE material and a sectional design that promotes air ventilation. This thoughtful design not only ensures that your GPU is displayed in all its glory but also maintains optimal temperatures for better performance. One of the bracket's most striking features is its ARGB lighting, which can be synchronized with your motherboard's lighting system, provided it supports a 3-pin RGB header. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.